is on the leaderboard as of now. At the bottom of our screen, you see the BJP at 209. It could become 210 if they complete the counting in Bhabanipur, and there's high drama. Ms. Mamata Bandyopadhyay is making a huge allegation. They are not allowing me into the strong room. But when after 16 rounds, Suvendu Adhikari is leading with 53,932 votes compared to Mamata Banerjee's 53,970 votes. So it's neck and neck. It's neck and neck. Let's listen into Mamata Banerjee. A very slender lead for Mamata Banerjee right now.
And cheated, and this election commission is a BJP commission. আমরা কমপ্লেন টাইম টু টাইম কমপ্লেন লজ করেছি, ইভেন মনোজ আগরওয়ালকেও কমপ্লেন লজ করা আছে। আই গেট মাই কমপ্লেন at 4 o'clock. I complained CEO West Bengal. Even I sent all the SMS to Manoj Agarwal, but they are not doing anything. Even they didn't allow me. You see my card. They are not allowing me also. Do you think it is winning? It's a immoral victory, not moral victory.
So Mamata Banerjee is saying, I have the card, they're not allowing me in. Kamalika joins us with an update that right now Suvendu Adhikari is leading by 563 votes. What is happening on ground? Kamalika.
563 vote is the margin in which Suvendu Adhikari leading Bhawanipur. That is something which is, I think, the biggest. Anand, we have always been discussing that Bhawanipur, in this entire match, Bhawanipur, in this entire Mahabharat, Bhawanipur has always been the Kurukshetra. And in this Kurukshetra, 563 lead by Suvendu Adhikari. Clearly, this is something which is definitely, which is I think, the big story of the day. And right now, Mamata Banerjee has left the counting center, and she was very much rattled by saying that people are trying to make her lose, they have hit her and all those allegations, and literally angry and rattled Mamata Banerjee. The mood that we saw of Mamata Banerjee from the very first day and also on the election poll day, and that's a reflection. And here is the Suvendu Adhikari's car out here. He is inside and all the supporters are just waiting. If Suvendu Adhikari, and that's what is likely, wins, that's going to be the biggest win. A second time, Suvendu Adhikari, not only there is a Parivartan in Bengal, but Suvendu Adhikari for the second time will be wearing the badge of defeating none other than Mamata Banerjee. So a very, very different mood. All the supporters are waiting outside for the final declaration. Youth security deployment everywhere, but it's definitely a very different and a Parivartan mood in Bengal.
Yeah, what is different, Kamalika, is where are the Trinamool Congress cadre? Where are the supporters around Mamata Banerjee? She is all alone, it seems, and she's left that place after 16 rounds, another 3 or 4 more rounds to go of counting, and it is Suvendu Adhikari who's leading. So is there any merit to the allegations that Mamata Banerjee is making, or has she finding it difficult to resign to the fact that in the heart of Kolkata, in Bhawanipur, where she's never even had to campaign actively, she is actually going to lose? Or could lose, if I may say that.
This is, I think, the biggest absolutely, Anand, this is the biggest setback that Trinamool Congress will be facing when the final results comes out. And if in the final result, Suvendu Adhikari wins Bhawanipur, it is an equal blow to Trinamool Congress. They're out from the power. That is obviously a biggest blow that they are having today, of Parivartan blow. Apart from that, Mamata Banerjee losing, not in Nandigram, not in any other place, but in her home turf. If she loses and if the final number comes out like that, so that is definitely going to be a biggest embarrassment.